So, very good morning. My name is Luise Mwanyangapo and I work at the RUFORUM Secretariat based in Kampala, originally from Namibia, and I work as a Senior Program Officer for Marketing and Communications. And we are here at the Access Agriculture and RUFORUM Joint Partnership Training Workshop on communications, specifically using audio-visual form of communication. This training has to be one of the most hands-on practical trainings I've ever attended in my professional career. And it's really nice that we shift the focus to audio-visual content storytelling specifically, because it also reaches a different demographic. So it is quite inclusive in terms of how we narrate our stories, how we tell our stories, and also how we include differently abled people, for example, in articulating our stories and impact in the work that we do, specifically as it speaks to agroecology. I think this type of training is really important because it gives one hands-on capacity, especially if you're not used to using new digital equipment that is coming out. I think this really capacitated us in terms of how do we use the different modes of technology that is coming out, how do we narrate our stories, how do we tell our stories visually, and it looks easier than what it sounds. So being here on the ground, witnessing my team and I trying to document a story, it really showed that it isn't as easy as it looks. There's a lot of thought process that goes into it, from conceptualizing the idea to script writing to the actual shooting itself. They all have different steps and different processes and requires a different skill set, which this training is really trying to capacitate us with. So I'm really grateful. We did a similar training in Benin as well, covering the Francophone speaking countries, and now we're having it here in Kampala covering the Anglophone speaking countries. So we have colleagues from Kenya, from Tanzania, from South Africa, from Zimbabwe, and all over the continent, joining hands, joining forces in terms of how we narrate and tell our own stories, because we hold the narrative and we should be able to tell the narrative. Thank you.